How to log in online banking in Commercial Bank of Qatar. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in and register for Commercial Bank of Qatar online banking via the mobile app. So without further ado, let's get started. But first thing first, make sure that you have installed CBQ Mobile on your phone. And once you have installed it, simply open the app. And once you are in the main interface of the app, to log into your account, simply tap on the login icon shown in the screen. And after that, you will be prompted to the new page. Now here, you need to enter your username and password. And once you're done with that, simply tap on login and you will be successfully signed into your online banking account. And if you don't have an account and you want to register for mobile banking, simply go back to the main home page and from here simply tap on register. Now on the new page, simply enter the required details such as your ID or passport number and your mobile number. And once you're done with that, simply tap on submit and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the registration. And that's it. You are now ready to access CBQ online banking from your mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.